Welcome to Mazda Mazda Liverpool. Thank you very much for joining us today. We're currently looking at our 2012 61 plate Mazda 2. If you'd like to bear with us, we'll have a brief overview of the exterior and the interior of the vehicle. But if you do require any additional information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700, and a salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this particular vehicle. As we begin our walk around now with this very stylish Mazda 2, as you can see, it is finished in the flame red. Just to make you aware, this particular vehicle is a limited edition model, and as you can see here, you do get those very nice gloss black alloy wheels for that extra sporty look. As we continue our walk around now, as you can also see there, the rear glass does have privacy glass. And I'll just make you aware, this particular vehicle is the 1.3 petrol engine model, and it is the black spec. If we come back around to the rear now, let's pop the tailgate open. As you can see there, you do have a good sized boot, being a small city car. Plenty of space there for any shopping or small luggage that you may have, and you do also have 60/40 fold down rear seats should you need any extra space at all in the rear. As I mentioned before, you do get privacy glass on those rear windows. If we take a look in the rear, there are plenty of space there for 3 adults. And as you can see, those seats are finished in a very nice grey material. You do also get plenty of legroom for adults. Now if we take a look from the driver's side, again the interior is in great condition, and if we take a closer look at these very nice and stylish seats, as you can see, they are also in great condition with no rips or tears. Just to make you aware, that front driver's seat is also height adjustable, making this car perfect for the shortest or the tallest driver, whichever you may be. If we jump inside now, let's have a little look around. As you can see, you do have all around electric windows. Those rear windows are lockable in case you have kids in the back. You do also have electric wing mirrors. These are also retractable, which is a fantastic feature if you find yourself in a tight parking space or in a tight street, because nobody wants to come out and find their wing mirrors being knocked off. And now if we take a look at the multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see on the left hand side, you can control your volume and track selection. If we take a look at the infotainment system now, here you have FM and AM stations. This is a fantastic feature, offering you access to a lot of radio stations. Depending on your personal choice of music, you'll always find a song to sing along to. Just below this is your climate control with air conditioning. Another magnificent feature to keep you and your passengers nice and cool during those hot summer days. And just to make you aware, this car is fitted with a lovely 5-speed manual gearbox. Regarding mileage, however, this car has covered just 40,715 miles from new. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2012 61 plate Mazda 2. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you do require any additional information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700, and a salesman will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding this particular vehicle. Just to make you aware, all our cars and vans do come with a 30-day motor match promise and are all subject to a £150 administration fee. We also offer multiple flexible finance options should you choose to use one. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.